Hey guys, welcome to Fargo Family Fun, and what today we will be doing is we are going to be making slime. So let's start opening this box. So first it gives you a bowl, and then it gives you your clear glue, and then it gives you your activators, this slime activator, and then in here it's like the containers and 3 sticks and a teeny tiny spoon. And then it gives you some foam balls, like on the front of the box. And then it also gives you paint. And it gives you green and purple. So I'm just gonna be setting the foam beads to the side, and I'm gonna open up this little pack. Oh, and it also gives you a measuring cup. So here's the tiny spoon, and then here are the 3 little sticks. So first you put in your clear glue. This is gonna go slow. Okay, this is going really slow, so I'm gonna take off the cap. So now I have all of the glue. Next, you are going to put in your activator. And then you're going to take your stick and then you're going to mix it around a little bit. And I've been mixing for it for like a few minutes or something. So now you're going to add in paint if you want paint in there. I think I'm going to do green because, you know, slime is green, but some slimes can be different colors. But I'm just going to do green. So let's get green paint in there. Okay, so I got some green paint in there. Okay. Now you're going to mix it around more. So then your green gets in. Okay. It's starting to turn greenish, but it's not full green. So that is okay. So far, it looks really good. So, I would get this if you love slime to kind of see if you like it or not. Okay. Kind of just gonna use my hands now. That looks so good. Okay, the slime is still a little watery. That is okay. That's why I'm using my hands. But look at the green. It looks just like a greenish slimy color. After, when it stops being a little watery, I'm going to put in the foam beads. So I'm just gonna mix it for a few moments. Okay, I'm gonna move this stuff over here so I can do it right here. So then what I usually do, if I put foam beads in my slime, I stretch it out a little bit. First, can't get it out. There. And then I put the foam beads in. Just put a little bit. That's not a little bit, but that's what I call it. They're sticking to my hands. Okay, now I'm just gonna fold it. Oh my gosh. And then I just keep unfolding it. And then if you need to put more in, you can definitely put more in when you are mixing your foam beads. This feels so good already. Nickelodeon Slime is so fun to make. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm gonna add in more foam beads because I love foam beads. Okay, so they came with these little ones. I just need a giant one, so I'm going to have to separate them by putting half and half each. But half and half will not be equal because it can't be perfect now. Okay, I need more in of my foam beads. So I just put some more, as you can see. Now I'm going to flip it. Oh, and for the fluffy slime, my two brothers are going to be doing fluffy slime with me. So I just figured I would do this one by myself because I'm the one who got everything. Because I got the kit, I got the glue bottles for the fluffy slime, got all the stuff for it. Okay, so there you go. It is super duper fun to play with. Okay, so if you did not know, if you go to a certain store, it's like only, I got this and it was only $10. If you can see right there, it says $10. But it was even less than that because it was on sale and stuff. So. Yep. So there you go.